Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download SOLFLARE wallet in Android or in your iOS device. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Play Store if you are using an Android device and your App Store if you are using your iOS device. Then in the search bar, you will have to search for SOLFLARE and then you will be able to see the SOLFLARE wallet in front of you. So you just have to tap on the install button and you just have to wait for some time until it is installing. Now once the installation is successful, you are going to see the open button over here. So you just have to tap on the open button and it will redirect you in your SOLFLARE wallet. Now once you are on the home page of your SOLFLARE wallet, you will be able to see various options of creating your account and importing the account that you have already. So if you want to create your account, then you simply need to tap on the create new wallet option, or if you want to restore your account, then you just have to tap on the restore button, and here you need to provide your 12 or 24 words of the recovery phrase and then you need to press confirm, and this way you will be able to download your SOLFLARE wallet in Android or iOS device. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.